Good day. Welcome to your problem solving with computers class. So we are now in your lesson 5. Our topic for lesson 5 is C sharp loop statements. So before I discuss or before I start my discussion, may I again remind you or may I again request you to please have with you your module hard copy while listening to my discussion so that you can follow my the flow of my discussion. It is also better if you open your Visual Studio application so that you can try also the given programs. So to start with, let us know what are the learning objectives of lesson 5. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to discuss C-sharp loop statements, differentiate the various C-sharp statements, and demonstrate understanding on the uses of C-sharp loop statements by creating simple C-sharp programs. So what is loop in C-sharp? Loop means repeat a block of code until condition becomes fail. As like other programming language, C# also provides rich set of looping statements as for loop, while loop, do while loop, for each loop, and many more. Loop statements widely used in every programming, and as a programmer, when you write real-time code, you need to use loop frequently. It is very important to gather looping structure and how it works very clearly if you want to be a good programmer. So how loop works? Okay, so for the structure, every loop requires three conditions to execute properly. That is the initialization or the start, the increment or decrement, and the condition or it condition or the stopping point. Okay, so the condition determines what will be the output of the loop. Okay, so that is the is uh, image or structure of a loop. What is while loop in C sharp? While loop, while loop is a type of loop. Okay, so while loop is one of the member of C sharp loop family. It also requires three conditions to execute properly as initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. As it is your first chapter of loop statements, you will become familiar with it after finishing this chapter. So the structure of while loop is like this. The initialization, the condition, and increment or decrement. Okay, this is the one, the increment or decrement, the condition, the initialization. This is the syntax for while loop program. In this previous syntax, we have initialized a variable I is equal to 0. Next, we have test a condition whether the value of I is less than 0 or less than 10. If condition matches the program, execute very next line and enter the loop. Here it prints hello while loop. Again, the loop control goes to condition and check the value of I whether it is less than 10 or not. If result returns true, it does the same process until the value of I equal to 10. When condition becomes false, the program jump out from the while loop. Okay, so let us try the code. So we are going to open our Visual Studio application so that we can try the code. So new project. Then let us use Visual C Sharp, console application. You may rename. So let us just wait while the application is creating the project. Okay, so let us put the given code. Okay, please bear with my laptop. It is slow in performing. Maybe the memory is full already. That's why it's very slow. But let us just wait. Okay, so let us try to run. Let's just wait. Sorry, it's taking too long. But not that um, okay. Where is my cursor? It's taking too long. Hold on.